Meet the rear rope dining side chair by Ratana, a breezy, open-weave seat that instantly lifts the look of any outdoor dining setup. The silhouette is clean and modern, with a gently curved back that feels relaxed yet refined, so it plays nicely with both casual and more polished patio tables. Built to live outdoors, it pairs a rust-resistant, powder-coated aluminum frame with handwoven, all-weather rope that stands up to sun and rain. The result is lightweight but sturdy seating you can move around easily and enjoy season after season without babying it. And because it arrives ready to use, there's no assembly fuss between you and your first dinner outside. Comfort's on point too. The rope has a supportive, flexible give, and that wraparound back invites you to linger for another course or two. The slim profile slides neatly under most dining tables and tucks into compact patios, balconies, or decks just as well as larger outdoor rooms. Buyers love the low-maintenance routine. A quick hose down or a wipe with mild soapy water keeps things looking new. The rope is designed to resist fading, and the frame's finish is made for the elements. You can choose from classic rope colors to match your space, and typical lead times are quick, so planning a refresh is easy. If you want a chair that's stylish, durable, and delightfully easy to live with, the RIA makes outdoor dining feel effortless. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.